I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today we're making part 2 of our 2026 Charity Quilt Along called Haven. Haven is our 13th annual Charity Quilt Along benefiting Make-A-Wish Central and South Texas. For more information on the kit and our exclusive bear, make sure to check out part 1 of the Haven Quilt Along. We have a link in the description box. You can download the free patterns exclusively at Fat Quarter Shop. A link is in the description box. And today we're going to be sewing with the Lila Boutique collection called True Love. Now that you have your pattern downloaded and all your fabric, let's get sewing. In part 2, our first step is to make 4 Wonderland blocks, and these are the same techniques we used in part 1. You're going to be using half square triangles and flying geese, and you're going to be playing with fabric placement just like we did in part 1. Now we're going to go to page 2, and we're going to be making 8 half square triangles that measure 6.5 inches square. We're going to put a fabric C and a fabric H square right sides together. Pin on 2 opposing corners just to keep it in place when you're sewing. Draw a line 1/4 inch away from the center on both. Stitch directly on that line, and this is our stitches. Of course, at home you're going to use cream thread. We're doing red just to show you. From each of these you're going to get 2. We're going to iron and trim this down. When you're done, you're going to have 8 half square triangles that are 6.5 inches square unfinished. Our second step is to make 16 print flying geese units using fabric G squares and fabric I rectangles. You're going to put a fabric G square on the left end, stitch directly on that line, trim 1/4 inch away, and press. In the pattern, it tells you to press to one side. Now, just like part 1, I'm going to be pressing mine open because I think my block will lay flatter if I do that. Then I'm going to add another square to the right side, stitch directly on that line, trim, and press open. When you're done, you will have 16 flying geese that measure 2 inches by 3.5 inches. You will be using 4 of these for each block. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to skip this step right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and talk about the next flying geese. You're going to make 16 of these with fabric L squares and fabric E rectangles, and again you're going to make 4 for each block, 16 total. Now we're going to take the units we just made and we're going to make 4 Oasis Star units and 4 Paradise Star units. With these you're going to have squares on the outside, a larger square on the inside. Make sure your flying geese are placed just like the pattern, and then you're going to sew these units together and you will have 4 each, and they both measure 6.5 inches square. To complete the Wonderland block, each one is going to have 1 Oasis Star unit, 1 Paradise Star unit, 2 half square triangles, and it's all about the fabric placement. So just make sure you have everything placed correctly before you sew together the final seams. You're going to have 4 of these, and now we're ready to put together this block with blocks from part 1. To assemble your final block, you're going to place 2 hideaway blocks from part 1, 1 Haven Star block from part 1, and 1 Wonderland block from part 2. The most important part of this block is just to make sure you have all of your blocks put together the right direction. You're going to sew these together and you're going to make 4 of these, and then you're almost done with your quilt. To finish your quilt, you're going to lay out your 4 blocks by rotating them, and again, fabric placement is key to this. Once that is done, you're going to be adding your side borders and your top and bottom borders. We used a navy text for our binding and a beautiful green floral for the backing. This quilt finishes at 54 inches square. Thank you for watching part 2 of our 2026 Charity Quilt Along. Make sure you donate to Make-A-Wish. A link is in the description box, and share your quilt with us using hashtag HavenQAL, and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next year on our next charity quilt.